Hey guys, what we're doing here today, we get a 0200 CRF450. Uh, Putting some LED lights on the bike. And we put to the back light, the back tail light right here. On. See that? You know this bike don't have battery, so what we're doing, we're wiring it up so we could run some lights so we could ride on the road. What we did is we come from the stator, using this solid blue, which is positive, and then the green with the white, which is negative. And we're gonna wire it up and start it up, and then we can see what it do from there. Now, that's his LED light, fog light, wire from the stator, the same blue wire and green and white. Blue is power, green and white is negative, no battery. 2002 on the CRF lights, wired up, no batteries.